So many roots. Yeah. Here we are, red oak. We made it, guys. Look at this branch. How are we supposed to get past there? So we are going to red oak today. Our goal is to get some honey. They've got like a little beehive there. I'm gonna ask some questions too. I don't know if they do it themselves or if they outsource it to local farms, but yeah, we've got all 3 kids today, and we're gonna hit up some playgrounds, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. All right, let's get going. Last night? Oh. I'll try to help today. Bless you. Yeah, we can do that one. Okay, we'll put the temperature here. The weather. It's a gorgeous day. It's, well, we'll also put the time as well. So you can see that I got rid of my phone holder. It just wasn't working with my new phone. And I need to tighten this, or that's broken. I need to fix or tighten it or something. I think the last time I was on the bike, it was last week. We picked up some groceries. Oh yeah, here's all the cars. Okay, our turn. It just rained a lot last night, and I can feel like the gravel trail is very slidey. Gotta watch out for that. We've got all the bags packed. We've got the diaper bag, the electronics bag, and we've got the bike repair bag. Whoa, there's big potholes. I don't know if the camera caught that. Huge potholes. But yeah, we're a heavy load today again. I see a tractor up ahead. They're probably trimming some of the trees back. Okay, on your left. What was he doing? He's catching up. The runner or the tractor? Yeah, I got the kids ready today and got all their water bottles packed. Oh yeah, there's a retention pond. So this morning, so if we got on the trail at 10:30 in the morning, this morning I got the kids breakfast and I did a load of laundry, or at least put it in. What else? Did a little bit of cleaning, but it really matters with the kids. I checked all the batteries. Yeah, just a slow morning, just taking it easy. I wasn't rushing anyone. I get a little stressed out. I have to remind myself to slow down. There's no rush. I do have a Rover dog walk later, so I can't be out all day, but at least we have the goal to go to Red Oak and grab the honey. Okay, so one of the kids has to do a potty break. We'll use the potty tree, we call it. I just want to find a nice area for you though. Just in time.
What's that hole?
Right. What do you think it is?
A big hole.
It is a big hole.
What does it lead to?
I don't know. That's a very good question. Oh, I'm about to fall. It's very steep here. All right, you ready to get on? Okay, potty done. And also, I just saw that the little 1-year-old is falling asleep in the trailer. He does sleep around 10 or 11 in the morning. So that's perfect. Oh, there goes my battery. Kind of cuts out sometimes. It scares the crap out of me.
I thought that was the funniest.
Also, guys, I've been watching a lot of Sarah Bridgewater's bike tour through Ireland. I've been watching it every morning. I think she just finished yesterday. Just wrapped it up yesterday. But I'll link her channel here. And yeah, she does like a road bike, and she camps and does like 70 kilometers a day. She's crazy. I love her so much. But that's what I've been watching a lot lately. My hyper fixation for sure. Morning. Okay, who wants to get the button? Okay, maybe Finny can get the next one? Okay, Finny, you can get the next one. I was thinking like, where can I get my coffee today? I would love one. I'm not sure if it's in the schedule. We'll see if we can get one today. I've been getting these like super calorie dense Frappuccino coffees. So I'm looking to either get I'm in the mood for matcha iced coffee. That would be nice. Just like a plain like iced coffee. Pretty basic, I know. All right, Finn, this is your turn. Okay, ready? Watching Sarah's videos makes me want to do solo camping. Oh, look at this guy. Hi. Well, he must be practicing for something, or she's really good at exercise. But yeah, watching Sarah's videos makes me want to go camping really bad, like solo camping. I don't know if I can do it with the kids right now. I've got kids that really don't want to sleep over. They like the idea of camping rather than the actual camping overnight part. If you guys have any tips on camping with kids, I would love you to comment. I need all the tips. I end up getting just way too much too. Like everyone accuses me that I've been overpacking. Okay, on your left. I don't think I overpack. I feel like I just get the basics. I do have like an air mattress. I don't mind sleeping on the floor. I could do it if I had to. I don't know. Is bringing a rug overpacking? I like to put a rug inside, especially like the kids' tent. On your left. All right, should mommy get this one, or who wants the third one?
Me.
Oh, both of you. How about both of you click it? I know, that was cute. Okay, well, I'll try it as long as the cars allow me. Hi. Okay. Okay, ready? Hi. Hello. Hi.
Oh, I won't.
Okay, we're going about 15 miles. I found out some facts about my trailer. I really can't go over 15 with the trailer, it says. That's good to know. Right. And I found out that my bike weighs 80 pounds, the trailer 100, each, like, oh, the diaper bag's like, I think 25, the electronics 10, the bike repair stuff is 10, the kids maybe 20, me like 200. So our overall weight, I don't know, can anyone do the math? I'll try to do the math, but I found out that I think I'm over the limit of what this rad wagon can pull, technically, which I think they said it only really affects the stopping power of the brakes, which I do. Oh, it's a little bumpy, but I do feel like the brakes are poopy. Oh, it's busy. A doggy. I know. 2 trailers. Oh, Sunny. But yeah, our brake. I might look into replacing our brakes with, like, I may be wrong. Hydraulic brakes. I don't know. I think that's what it was. But there's like hydraulic kits out there, so I have to look into that. Wow, she is booking it, and I don't think it's an e-bike either. She's got 2 kiddos in the back. And we're gonna stop at Leopold Park, okay? Does that sound good? Okay, look for mushies. This is the time. They just rained last night, so look for big volleyball-sized mushy. He's looking for puff mushrooms. Puff mushroom. They look like a big white ball out in the woods. We saw some out here, so they've got to have spread some mycelium. I know. You don't want to pick it? No? You want to eat it? You know, you can eat the puff mushroom. We've learned how to ID them properly.
Is it all black inside?
Right. That's right. He said if it's all black inside, we cannot eat it. Or if it's like starting to go icky. Wow. She is rocking it. Yeah, if it's all like puffy, white mush, like it's almost like a mushroom, just pillowy. Yeah, they say you shouldn't eat it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It says like the puff mushroom comes like later or like early fall. So really it's a little too early in the season for a puff mushroom. Oh, the meadow. Here's the meadow on your right. Let's see if I can pan it. Oh, wow. I see some butterflies. Did you guys see any other wildlife? No, not right now. You didn't see it? You saw a squirrel earlier. Okay, does anyone have to go potty? Like, not anymore. Okay, wait for me to park, okay? I feel like my brakes are a little bit loose. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna go outside.
Okay, stay together. I'm just gonna grab the water. Yeah, what's up? You gotta go pee? Okay. Yeah. Is that your, yeah, that's my water bottle. You can have yours. All right, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What's that? What's this?
The lizard.
I like that.
Oh, dragonfly.
Wait, what's that?
We're going to the marsh.
I'm gonna follow you.
Okay. All right. I kind of want to park here. I don't want to be in the sun. All right, I got the little baby, and you can't really see him, but he's in my arms.
What's this, Mama? What's this?
I don't know. We were wondering what that was before, and we decided it might be like a statue.
That's good.
Yeah. Slow and steady. So snow fishing. Those do look like lily pads, maybe some kind of variation. We'll have to look it up. We're curious what this might be. Hmm? The baby's on my mic. Okay, work together. Oh, hello.
No.
What do you see? It's okay, baby. It's okay. Thank you for trying. Remember, that's your buddy, Finn. If you fall in the water, who's gonna get you? Your buddy. Yeah. Not today, just because they haven't cleared it yet, I don't think. Look. There is a little trail that takes you towards the Fox River, but if we didn't have the baby, we could try it. Yeah, last time we were here, there was just a ton of snakes sitting on the surface. It was a little gnarly to look at. Everywhere you looked, there was a snake. It looked like sticks. No, not today. Maybe they're not even on the surface. I'm sure they're still there, though. Yeah. Oh, bumblebee.
Oh my God.
They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I really wouldn't. I don't know that pathway. Wow. It's like algae sitting on top of the water. Algae? Mm-hmm. They've got nice little seating for people. Okay. No snakes. Did anyone see any frogs or turtles or fish?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Look at all the algae.
Wow.
This is all for roots.
Oh, okay.
Algae?
Like maybe the algae is just starting and that putting roots down. There's dragonflies everywhere, guys. They're so pretty. Like little helicopters. I don't know, they're too fast. I've never been able to catch one. I know.
So much.
So much. You guys have a lot of good questions.
And there's so many roots.
So many roots.
Like a billion.
Yeah.
100.
It is hot. Should we go to Red Oak? Cool off in the woods? Feels like 100 in the sun and like 70 in the shade.
My hair's so hot. Oh,
Ooh.
that's metal.
Yeah. Get off the microphone. He's clutched on the microphone the entire time. That was funny. The baby was holding on to the microphone. Sorry if you can hear me panting. Look at that. This is carrying this baby. It's killing my back. All right, there's our bike. Hi, see you. I do see you. Peekaboo. Ahoy. Oh, careful. That's water right there. I know it doesn't look like it. Okay, we're taking off. Done with the marsh. I should probably turn the bike on. It looks like the summer camps are over. Usually, you see it, babes? Usually the camps are all outside today. I don't see any of them though. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. It's nice, right? To be in that hot sun. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. So scary. Ready? Bumpies! Okay. Right here. I don't know. My partner and I were joking that maybe the mouse has rabies or so. Oh, what the hell was that? I just saw something like floating down from the treetops. Looks like a mouse. Here we are, Red Oak. We made it, guys. And guys, just stay on the bike for a second, okay? Don't do what? Yeah. You did your helmet too? Perfect. Thank you for helping. What did you find? A coconut? Where are you gonna go? The trash? I see. Hey, wait for me. Hey, don't touch other people's bikes. You can touch ours. Whoop. Whoops. Oh, do you guys hear the bells?
What bell?
Do you hear it? You have to be really quiet. Yeah, don't let the baby out yet. He's waiting patiently, very patiently. Hey, Arthur, can you put these bottles in the back, please? And then, Okay. Let's see. I know, they're having a hard day. We have hard days too, right? A cicada, look at that one.
It died last time.
Mm-hmm.
It died. Why did
Here, put them on the bike over here. We'll keep them to bring home, okay?
Why did he die?
Don't know. Okay. You got the button? Yeah. Okay, I got the baby again right here. No, no ding dong. They don't want to hear the ding dong. Oh yeah? Here.
Mama,
Who's moving through the meadow? Ooh, what is that?
this is a flag.
The frog. Sandbox. Hi.
We found you now,
Yeah. Hi, Valley. Oh, are you okay?
Oh, oh.
They got new stuff? So here's their little beehive. The bees are back. I really don't think they harvest the honey here. I don't know.
You see the tarantula? She's out of her hide. I know she's out and about.
This is thinking idea.
She's just hanging out right there. You see her right there?
Oh,
Oh, you see the wolf too?
What, you need a flashlight? Help you.
Wait, that is a rattlesnake.
Oh my gosh. I don't have a stroller with this guy. Hey Finn, where are you? Yeah. Uh-huh. I see. They look very happy. Yeah. Hi. Remember, this says no climbing. I know, I want to climb it too. Oh, they've got a hummingbird feeder out today. Okay, let's go look.
That's how we make. Oh, I know what we make. No.
Okay, remember, give him one too. He's a little baby. He wants to play. Okay. Okay. Okay, baby, one sec. We need some honey. Okay. And anything else? And where do you guys get the honey from?
So there is a farm that's just down the road.
Yeah.
And it's called Patterson Farms.
Okay.
Is that the half pound or the full pound?
Awesome.
Is this the half pound or the full pound?
I think it's the full one. Oh yeah, it says right there.
Scared the snot out of him.
What is crawling?
It's going in there.
I know. He wants to go in there. Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. Don't forget all your.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
We'll see you.
All right. Thank you. You too. So we're just having like a little snack. Yeah, it's gonna go in the trash can. Leave it for the other bugs to eat. He's showing me a cicada. Let's just leave it for other bugs and animals to eat. The ants love to eat the dead cicadas, so don't put it in the chi-chi trash. Okay, just leave it. So we got apple, some fruit snacks for everyone. Uh-huh. Oh gosh. All right, Thea, we're ready for you. Yeah, it'll probably be safer. Should we get going? The baby's eating an apple. He's happy. You guys had your snacks. The oldest one went back in and got a Gatorade. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Got you.
Got ya. Hey, there's us. Hi. Watch, like everyone's just staring at us right now. Do you see us? Hi. Okay. Let's get going. I just heard the bells from a church across the river. I think it's noon. So I need to be home around 12:30 or 1, so it should be perfect. Sorry, I'm on your left. Thank you. Thank you. The cute doggy. He's gonna have the best little hike, don't you think? Okay, roller coaster, ready? Okay, don't lean back. I'll have to look back how fast that was. What'd you say? I think there's one more. A little bit like after Leopold. Excuse me. On your left. My bell's broken. Oh yeah. I would love to buy walkie-talkies. I just have to I'm trying to find a really good pair. Okay, here's, oh yeah. Okay, bumpies. Woo! Hey, good job, Finn, for not leaning back. Good for you. That really helps us. Oh, I would ring right now. Hello. But I was thinking I've got a lot of plans for our future of our channel. I feel like I want to go do like solo camping. What do you see? Oh, the little garage. But yeah, solo camping trips, and I can bike to the nearby campgrounds. I have other ideas with seeing how long like north I can go up the river. And it's just all about my gear. I'm limited by my gear right now. But like I've always wanted to, okay, one sec. Roller coaster! There's one more. Whee! The Titanic song. Copyright, copyright, copyright. Whee! All right. I hear you, Sonny. He's singing too. What I was saying was that I'm limited by my gear and how far I can go, at least with this e-bike. I'm looking into like the road bikes, just trying to learn more about them. And there's a trail that I've been really wanting to show the kids, but it's... You did? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Dang it, I didn't see it. But I have been wanting to take the kids on this trail up in Wisconsin, I think it is. It's like the Spartan Trail. It was an old railroad track that's been abandoned. But now it's a bike path, a very long one, and it has these epic tunnels that you can bike through. I mean, the other side is like a little, like when you enter the tunnel, the other side, there's a little tiny light at the end of the tunnel. It's like the size of a mouse hole. And people, you have to get off your bike and walk your bike to the other side. But I did that with my family when I was little, and I loved it. Like, I think we ended up camping afterwards too. But we all rented bikes when we got there. But I was thinking it'd be cool if we just biked up there, did some camping when the kids are older. I'm giving them a face in the rear view. As I crash the bike. Yeah, I've got lots of plans. And if you guys have ideas of what you'd like to see, like more coffee trips or us taking the kids to different locations with the bike, or more of the setup and maintenance of the bike, I could do that too. I can't be much of a travel channel yet. It's a little bit more difficult with my situation. Our 10-year goal is to eventually have our own little homestead, get some land, and so we're in save mode right now. Just a small little place. I just want land, that's it. Yes, please, land. I know a lot of people are wanting land now. I just want somewhere where the kids can stretch their legs and we can grow our own food. And you guys are doing really well, staying very still. Good job. There's a Japanese garden somewhere up north of the river. One time we went to, I think it was Batavia. It was like the Trader Joe's in Batavia. And I just wanted to see if we could get over on that side of the town. And I saw there was a Japanese garden right there. So I wanted to check that one out. I want to explore a little bit more of north of the river. But I also, for my setup, like Sarah Bridgewater's, she has like a pole behind her that shows the back view, and you can see the trail ahead of her and her on the bike. That would be really cool with our setup. On your left? I'm just trying to think of relevant devices that we could use. Oh, sorry. I also keep asking my oldest if he wants to ride bikes alongside me, and we're just waiting for his interest. He isn't interested yet. He still wants to just tag along behind me. But we're also behind the scenes looking at what his first bike would be, if he would like one. No pressure, but I'm eager to get that one started. That would be epic. Have my two little kids in front of me. Okay, Finn, this is you. But eventually, yeah, I would love to have a farm stand, have some chickens, maybe some goats, some rabbits. Definitely a huge garden. That's number one. I'm the family baker. I love baking. I'm not in the mood right now. I have these hyper fixations, and this is it right now, is biking. But soon, I just came out of my baking hyper fixation. Woo! Both of you? Both. Okay, good job. Yeah, I just came out of my baking fixation. I was baking every day, pretty much. I was making all of our bread for the family, all of our rolls. Our pizza dough. I was trying not to buy any kind of bread at the store. And I'm really into animals. I really want to take care of livestock, and I've got a little bit of experience. I'm gonna go do that dog walking. I'm gonna get us home first. We'll have lunch, and then I gotta go see Onyx. Oh, there's a police car. See it? Yeah. See the police car? He's making sure everyone's going the right speed limit. Oh, another one of my ideas is that I would like to like pick up trash on the trail. My kids and I already, like, if we see something big, like, oh, there's some right here. Speaking of, like, I want us to bring like a little bag and try to fill it every time we come out. So I just have to get better about doing that, or like attach like a little doggy bag or some grocery bags to my bike and keep our trails healthy. We love them so much. We just definitely want to take care of them. There is a group for like Illinois Prairie Path group that do these like once a year or twice a year clean. He's actually the one that helped me with my flat tire. He said that if you're gonna have the kids pick up trash, make sure they're wearing gloves because there is poison ivy everywhere. Yep. But good call. I didn't even really think about that. Like, we need to wear gloves, maybe even get one of those pickers. That would be great. Clean up the trails. And I wish we had a wood burning stove because there's so much firewood or like pieces of wood that we could bring home, chop it up and bring it home. What is going on? Feels weird. Let me just do a bike check. This is kind of where we did our flat tire the last time. Let me just look. Okay, tires look good. Okay. It just must be that my electronics thumping against my bike or something down there. I hope it's okay. I've been also watching a lot of YouTube videos about how to take care of my bike. I've always had my dad to take care of it, and so I kind of need to learn it now that he's gone. I've got to learn how to take care of my own bike. For those that don't know, my dad did pass away when I was 20. He was really, really into bikes. He was a mechanic. A tinkerer. He was a doctor, but he loved to tinker on things. Oh, look at this. Look at this branch. How are we supposed to get past this? How are we supposed to get past it? Ah! Look at that. Let me just finish my story about my dad. But he would completely take apart a bike and put it back together. And he had a road bike that I think he found at the junkyard. And he got new tires, he got new chains, he got all of it new. Oh, I don't know. Can you guys hold it up above you? Hold it up. Thank you. Okay, let go. Let me see if I can push it out of the way. Maybe that's what that guy did. Or I can just try to break it. Oops, I did. Okay. Did that do anything? I'm trying to move the... Oh, you're off the bike. Okay, there's people over here. They're coming. Watch out, Finn. It's going to whack you. Watch out, Finn. Maybe we can just tuck some of these away. Behind another tree. Wouldn't that be horrible if it... wham, whack someone right in the face and they're biking past. It's definitely not secure. You saw a spider go in? That's nightmare fuel. Okay, we did our civil duty. We tucked that branch away. It may attack someone. Hopefully no one will be there, like when it pops out. I know, when the I can just imagine just biking or walking and it's like something out of Jack, you know. Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville. And then a tree branch comes out. A little bit funny. As long as no one gets hurt. I'll put the mileage on the screen now of what we have done today. Yeah, it's been a great day. We only lost one bar, but I actually had done groceries and didn't charge, so that doesn't count. Yeah, I've been really chill. I'm on 3 and I've just been coasting. Remember, you can always, oh, the branches. Look at this guy. I'm assuming it's because of that tractor that came by. He like trimmed all of, yeah. Look at this. He trimmed all these tree limbs. But I don't want to completely drain myself. I don't want to be like biking too hard and then go dog walking and take care. I'm going to be out with the kids all day, so I don't want to spend all of my energy biking today. I need to keep some of it. Hey, Eyes, can you see the baby? Is the baby there? Okay. My biggest fear. Good, thank you. Good thumbs up, I can see it. All right, so I think we're gonna call it here, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share the video. That would really help us out. We're just starting out, and I've got big plans for the channel. Anything would help us. All right, we love you guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.